Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to create a game using Flame package in Flutter. So here you can see the main.dot file, and the second one is going to be this splash screen. So when the app starts, we are going to show the splash screen, and after 3 seconds we will move to the game selector page. So this one is the code for splash screen. And now we are moving to this game selector page. So this game selector page is going to have the list of all the games. The first 4 games are going to be playable games which I've already created. As you can see, the 4 code files are also present: car game, Flappy Bird, space and runner, and then the remaining apps are in this coming soon category. So when the game ends, we are going to show a game overlay screen which will be having a restart button, game score, and back to menu button. So as you can see, we have score, restart, and back to home button. So here we have one of the games. This one is the runner game. So in my games file, I've defined the logic that how the runner should work, and then we have 2 other files which are obstacle and player. So in player file, I've defined how the player will move, and in obstacle file, I've defined the logic that after how much distance we should be showing our obstacle of some different heights. So now we will be seeing the demo of how these 4 games are working. So I've restarted this application. So this one is the runner app. So as you can see, I need to jump over the obstacles, and then I can see the game score, restart, and back to home button. This one is the next game, that is Flappy Bird. So mainly we are going to add a proper bird in place of this yellow box, and then we are also going to add some sound effects in this game, and then also we will need a dialog box to confirm if we want to restart or if we want to go back to home. So these things we are going to implement for Flappy Bird, and then we will continue with the rest of the games. So the third one is this spaceship game. So we are having the spaceship which can shoot us bullets, and we need to hit these red blocks. So if we hit one of the red blocks, the game will be over. So next one is this car racing game. We are this blue car, and we need to avoid hitting the red cars. So first we are about to add a dialog box of confirmation. So here this is the restart button, and then below it we have this back to menu button. So when user is going to click on it, he should be asked again. It's going to be like a confirmation that user actually wants to restart the game. So we are going to add a util file that will be of a dialog box, and then we want to use it in the game overlay screen. So as you can see, I've added this show confirm dialog button. So and if I'm going to click on this restart button, I am able to see this confirm dialog. So if I will click on yes, then only the action will be performed, or else we will just be seeing the overlay screen. Now as you can see, I've added some sound effect in this runner app. The same way I want to add some sound effect in my Flappy Bird game as well. So I'm going to download 2 sounds. First one is going to be the flap sound, and the second one will be the hit sound. But before that, let's just add a bird image in place of this yellow box. So I'm going to search this Flappy Bird and then download one of the images. Now I'm going to place this image in the images folder after removing the background. Also, after adding the image, please don't forget to add the path in YAML file. Now I will use flutter clean and flutter pub commands and then rerun this application. So here's the comparison in this player file and bird files. I've added the player.png, which is the sprite can, which we are seeing as a player in this runner app. Same way I've added bird.png in place of that yellow box. So we are going to now see the bird image. Now we're going to compare my game with Flappy game. So we have this sound, hit, and jump sound in this runner app. Same way we are going to have the flap and hit sound in this Flappy game. So now I'm going to download sounds. Now I'm moving the sounds in this audio folder, and please don't forget to add the same in YAML file as well. So you can see the comparison. So I've added the two sound files in the Flappy game code as well, same way that I had in my game, that is a runner app. I just have to make a few changes. Now I can verify the same by running the project again. Next, I'm gonna work on this jumper game. So for today, that's all. And in the next video, we'll see how this jumper game can be created. It is like the infinite jump game where we will keep on jumping from one platform to other, and then the game will go on until we fall out of the screen. This game I'll be able to test better in the mobile device. So for now, that's all in the video. Thanks for watching.